Hello everyone, are you ready to do a DIY project with me? So I did show you how to do this in an earlier video as well, this large yarn painting that I'm doing, or the art. So I showed you how to do this, the neat yarn idea here. But I'm going to show you the extra pieces. But if you're new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Or you can always connect with me through other social media like my Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All that information is in the description box below for you. So now I'm going to show you how I do this yarn pattern. So I'm going to loop one and get that knot in, and then just do a simple loop into the yarn, just like so. You can get other videos as well where they'll show you different kinds of pattern. This is just a simple chain that you can do, and once you are satisfied with the length, you can put another knot on the other side, and that will be it. And we're going to use a hot glue gun to um, glue the piece into our big art. So I'm going to do different patterns along the way, and I'm going to stick in each different area. That's actually that orangey color, which I don't really like because I really wanted a really plain but textured art on my wall. I didn't want a lot of colors, and somehow the color that I put turned out to be a bit much, so I'm using yarn to cover it up and make that large painting. So I'm going to create this long chain and cover up enough area with it, and then I'm going to use other patterns as well. It's very easy to use these patterns. You just have to find few patterns, and if you're not sure and if you want me to show you, let me know and I will do that for you in the upcoming videos. Comment below and let me know. So I'm going to do a double layer here on the same yarn chain, and I'm going to stick that into the big painting that we have. Okay, so it is kind of hard to see here, but it's a very easy knot that you can get from YouTube. But I'll show you how it all turns out, and I'm also going to put some knots as well, so you can see I'm redoing this because I didn't like how it came out a little looser than I wanted, so I'm gonna redo that. So also, if you want me to make something new or different, or you want me to try out something for you first before you do it, let me know in the comments below as well. So from the first video you saw that I'm going to stick this whole large painting into a frame, um, which I had before with another drawing on it. So I will show that in another video as well, that's coming up, because I do really want a frame for this because it's just white. I'll show you how I'm gonna do that as well, because the frame right now has like a gold touch to it with brown tones. I want it to make it black, so that it contrasts well with this large art. So what I'm going to do is, here I'm using a hot glue gun which I used for the other pattern, to stick the other pattern as well. That was just yarn just out of the yarn ball, but this I crocheted a little bit. So I'm going to um, stick that crocheted long piece to the art that we have. So let's get to it. I just had to wait until it gets hot so that the glue melts so that I can stick it. So this is what I'm doing right now. So I really hope you like this large art. Um, And like I said before, if you want me to show you how to crochet different kinds of patterns, let me know. I can do that for you and make different kinds of art with different colors as well, if you are interested. And anyways, I do have all my social media account links in the description box below for you, so you can connect with me through those media as well and let me know what you want to see next. And so there you go. I'm just going to do a U shape here. And in different areas that are colored, I'm going to go and do different patterns as well as different directions, so that the texture of it all will be different as well. So you will see in a bit how it all turns out, and how the fabric of this art looks so far. Where that's where I will stop for today, and I will show you how I'm going to color the frame and stick this whole thing into the frame and hang it as well. I'll show you how it all looks in upcoming videos, so stay tuned for the next upcoming videos as well. And I hope you're enjoying so far. Okay, so after this, I'm going to do other patterns as well, and I'll show you how it comes along. So you can see now that I stick one side of this chain, it is a different texture than the other um, pieces that I have already glued onto this large art. So that the texture is the thing that defines each section of this art, from my opinion. And it will come together as a really big piece of crocheted art that you can go to and look at and see different patterns at different times. That's the idea of it all when I'm creating this art. So I hope you see the same way, and let me know what you think. And this will actually look really nice on a bedding material as well, like a duvet cover, because it has that textured look to it, which I might get from my Redbubble shop or somewhere else as well. You can always get a picture and then print it on top of that fabric as well if you want to. Or pillowcases, that will look really nice because it has that crocheted look to it. So I'm going to do this several times. I'm going to crochet a piece and then glue it to the art, right to it. And that's how it's going to look for this piece. And for the rest of it, I'm going to do bubbles. As you see here, that the whole thing is done with the same pattern, and it looks like it's a different texture than the rest of the art so far. And on the other sections, as you see here, I did a chain, a different pattern, and on here I did round bubbles, and down below I did a different pattern as well, a simple chain, but I glued it in a different way. So the whole art looks like this right now, and this is how it looks so far. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this pattern on, check out my Redbubble shop, link in the description box below for you to buy products. And I really hope you enjoy this video, and I will put the first video of how I made the first um, yarn pattern in the I button up top, and I have put some next videos for you here as well. I really hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you next time. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and whatever you like, you let me know so I can do it for you. So then, bye.